Hi, today I am recording my usage of Audacity to make my sound library, a DIY audio library. Forgot to select the audio first. Firstly, I am changing the pitch. One different audio is produce. I am skipping the export to MP3. Next, second audio. And firstly use Ctrl+Z to undo, starting with original sound again. And second audio is produce. Now the third one. I am done with pitch. I shall select change speed. And third audio is done. Now the fourth one. Fourth audio is done too. Fifth audio now. Now trying change tempo. Sounds bad. I think this shall do with the fifth audio. Now the sixth audio. Sound okay. Now the seventh audio. Trying wall stretch. Sound no good. I will save it combined with others later. Done with seventh audio. Continue wall stretch with eighth audio. Done with eighth. Now the ninth audio. From original sound, I can change by using tempo and pitch to change a totally new sound, which intend to be used in Sound Library, as it is a DIY audio library. I can use in website, Android app, DIY game. Sound good.